Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share the 3D models of marine life for your character creator 4 and also iClone 8. And all of these 3D models are compatible with your iClone 7 as well. You can see all of these are marine animals. Some are fish, and you can see dolphins, great white shark. You can see turtles as well. Right, so now we are going to test all of this. I'm going to open my iClone 8. Now iClone 8 is launching. We have to wait for a while. In order to download all of these marine animals, 3D models already in iProp format. These are iClone prop. You can scroll down, go to my video descriptions, check the first link, get the marine animals pack 01. This is a zip file. Once you download it, you can extract it into the folder and you will get all these iProps. Right, now iClone 8 is already opened. We are going to test all of this. Through all this thumbnail, you can see what is that creature. What you need to do is just drag in into your iClones or character creator 4. You can see all of these are 3D models without rigging, without skeletons. Right, we are going to test another one. Just for example, the fish. Just drag in all and you can see the 3D models is very small. You can adjust the size just by pressing R. Select it and press R. You can adjust the size. They are really marine animals. If you want to perform any of the 3D animations on this, I'm going to give you another tool link. Right, you can check my video description here. Import any animals or dinosaur into iClone, rigging and animation tutorial, how to rig them, and then how to create talking animals in iClones. These are really simple tutorial that you can follow. Alright, that's all for today about my sharing of the marine life 3D models for your iClone 8, iClone 7 and Character Creator 4. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video sharing and tutorial, if you feel all this sharing and tutorial are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video sharing or tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.